In order to change the cover screen clock on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then you should be able to find cover screen. So go over here, tap on the current cover screen that you use, and now you can tap on the clock in order to start customizing it. Now, of course, over here at the bottom, we have different options such as the change of font and color. You can also go to style first in order to choose your style that you wish to use. Over here, we have some animated options as well. You can move the date to be above the clock or below it, of course. We can show or hide the weather information, and in the font and color you can do exactly that. You can change the font a little bit, you can make it thinner or bolder, at least in some cases, and we can change the color over here. You can also pick your own color, and besides that you can change the size, so you can move it, resize it, make it bigger or smaller. You can also move it left and right as well. And yeah, so let's move it over here to the center. I believe here is the center, maybe. And once you are done with all your changes, you can simply press done in the top right corner in order to save it.